We've spent the last days here in Brussels discussing the political environment, the regulatory environment and the business imperatives that face Zurich's business across Europe, Middle East and Africa.
Insurance is about people, and Europe faces huge demographic challenges, be it the declining population in some countries, but also the migration issue.
We'll have twice as many old people relative to young people, and they have to be fed, they need health care and they need pensions. There's a widespread view that this is a tsunami which will just kill us, and I think this is completely wrong. We can do a lot, but we have to do it now.
We should start to think about aging society not as a problem only, or some kind of trouble, but we should think about aging society also as a chance, because we have very experienced, physically in good shape people, and it's necessary to look how we can use this reservoir of experience, of knowledge, of energy, better.
We have big data for quite some time, and we've been working on these big data for quite some time as well. And in fact, for insurance, it will reduce insurance risk, it will enable new business models, new insights. You can ask a lot of questions to these data. Of course, insurance companies already know a lot because they live on data, they live on the history of their cases, but some more fine-grained questions are possible now, so it's a big opportunity. At the same time, we have to say that there are a lot of risks associated with big data as well. Privacy is very obvious. Big data is the arch enemy of privacy. We have security issues, of course, as well in the whole IT world, and they apply to big data as well. And a couple of other more political issues are associated with the topic as well.
The chances of the digital world are unbelievable for the industry, for the service industry, for the insurance industry especially, and we must use it. But to use it in Europe means to speak about the risks very clearly, but to control the risks, to try to control the risks. And this is a balance we need, and I was very impressed by the discussion here. I think we are on the way, Zurich is on the way, and can play a very important role in this field.
It is important that authorities are aware that insurance, financial services are primarily producing added value and not producing risks. Of course, they need some regulatory framework, but this should not be the only aim of the authorities. What should be the aim at first is to help to support a strong European insurance industry able to sustain the competition worldwide.
In the past, in Europe, we were very preoccupied with prudential regulation, Solvency II, or with conduct regulation. Now some broader topics are getting at the forefront. First of all, the Commission gets more and more and increasingly economic friendly, business friendly, and the important thing here is, topics like the energy union, the digital union. These are huge topics that are highly relevant for our customers as well also for ourselves.
We've had some direct engagements with the policymakers here at the very heart of European policy in Brussels, and they've sent a very clear message that they're open for engagement. They want to understand business needs, they want to understand where we're coming from, and there's a real call to action for our executives to make those connections and to let it be known what we are trying to do to improve our industry and to make sure that the regulation is fit for purpose and empowers good competition throughout the Union.